When Aqua members launch innovative and cutting-edge water projects and programs, they aren't just raising the bar for excellence in the field of water management, they're building for the future. In recognition of these efforts, each year Aqua awards one of its members with the Clair A. Hill Water Agency Award for Excellence. This year, we're pleased to highlight 4 finalists for the 2018 award. The winning agency will have the privilege of presenting a $5,000 scholarship in the name of Clair Hill to a deserving student next year. And now to reveal our finalists. First up is Del Puerto Water District for its North Valley Regional Recycled Water Program. The program was designed as a regional solution to water supply and reliability issues in the San Joaquin Valley. The program utilizes treated municipal wastewater from the Desto and Turlock and makes it available for agricultural irrigation on more than 45,000 acres of highly productive farmland in Del Puerto Water District service area. With a newly constructed pumping plant and pipeline connecting the city's treatment facilities to the Delta Mendota Canal, deliveries of 13,200 acre-feet per year are now being made for beneficial use on agricultural lands and to south of Delta CVPIA designated wildlife refuges. The North Valley Regional Recycled Water Program is a great example of collaboration that has brought municipal, agricultural, and environmental interests together for the successful development of a major new water supply. The next finalist is the Long Beach Water Department for its Certified Blue Restaurant Program. In 2017, Long Beach Water launched its restaurant certification program to recognize local eateries for water use efficiency. Through the program, Long Beach Water conducts on-site water efficiency surveys to identify opportunities for water, energy, and greenhouse gas reductions in restaurant kitchens and bathrooms, and also offers participants free installation of new, efficient pre-rinse spray nozzles. Once certified, restaurants receive a branded brag kit to demonstrate to the community that they're doing their part to be water efficient. To date, the program has completed 30 on-site surveys and certified 17 restaurants. The next finalist is the Mesa Water District for its Pipeline Integrity Program. Mesa Water's innovative Pipeline Integrity Program, known as PIP, creatively and successfully addresses the industry-wide issue of renewing and replacing water system pipelines in an economical, effective, and timely manner. Through the program, Mesa uses a condition-based approach to determine a pipeline's useful life by conducting non-destructive tests to evaluate a pipeline's remaining wall thickness and conducting further destructive testing when the remaining wall thickness of any pipeline was estimated less than 70%. After testing 7 miles of asbestos cement pipe installed as early as 1948, the district has demonstrated the useful life estimates of its pipelines is actually 142 years, saving the district an estimated $230 million over the next 30 years. The next finalist is Reclamation District 2035 for the Sacramento River Joint Intake and Fish Screen Project. Completed in 2017, the project included an innovative fish screen system with high-profile fish screens at river intakes to prevent entraining fish during diversions, an adjustable baffle system behind the screens to distribute flow to ensure fish are not injured, and a fish habitat spaced between the screens to help juveniles and other small fish escape predators. Through cooperation at the local, state, and federal level, RD 2035 has created the first jointly owned and operated fish screen intake to serve both agricultural and urban needs while providing beneficial impacts to the environment, supporting the goals of restoring native fish species, and providing a reliable water source to surrounding communities. Though faced with a difficult task, our judges have made a decision. The 2018 award goes to Del Puerto Water District for its North Valley Regional Recycled Water Program. Congratulations!